Popular Nigerian social media personality VeryDarkMan, whose real name is Martins Vincent Othe, has stirred up fresh talks about the death of late singer Mohbad. Recently, VeryDarkMan released an alleged phone conversation between music promoter Sam Larry and Zlatan Ibile. The voice recording was in Yoruba and shared online, where it quickly went viral. In the call, Zlatan Ibile said he did not want to get involved in the drama surrounding Mohbad's death, saying it wasn't his business. He also explained that people online are twisting stories about what really happened. But now, VeryDarkMan wants answers. He gave Zlatan a 48-hour deadline to speak out. He said that if people truly want justice for Mohbad, they need to hear the truth from those who were directly involved with him, not just from what social media shows.
Alright, so I'm going to be playing a voice recording between Sam Larry and Zlatan during the time when Mohbad died. Now, I will expect that in 48 hours, Zlatan comes out to explain what he knows and why he did not talk about this when we were seeking justice for Mohbad. A lot of you are fake. Justice for Mohbad, and I go protest, but you want me the case go down. You the first VeryDarkMan bring her back up again. And now me you talk say, I want me, now me spoil the case, but now me they always go bring the case. Anyways, Zlatan, let me play the voice note.
We're going to sue me. Zlatan, so near to me, I be enjoying me for accommodate me, she come on now.
Delicate, what's something
Mo mọ̀ pé ìṣọ́ra mi ìfẹ́ anything tó máa stay ní wọ. Ṣé ó kàn lè sọ fún wọn wà ń bẹ̀ enjoy yẹn wọ́n náà yí gbogbo pàṣẹ fi pàṣẹ. Gbogbo wàhálà ti ṣe enjoy yẹn pé anybody má jà. Ọ̀rẹ́ ìjà ó issue the video náà issue tẹ̀. Ọ̀gbẹ́ anybody tó fọwọ́ kan anybody. Níbo ló ti wá lọ́wọ́?
Ẹ̀gbọ́n tí bá ti sọ yẹn máa ṣàlàyé lọ ní o. Ẹ ṣáà máa táyà. Ọmọ ní pé kí wọ́n máa ẹ̀mọ́. Ó máa ti di mo fẹ́ ìbọ̀gbà mi.
The new audio clip is causing a lot of reactions on social media. Some people supported Zlatan's decision to stay silent, while others believed he owes fans an explanation. Many people want justice for Mohbad, who passed away in 2023 under mysterious circumstances. Videos and past interviews had been showing him saying he was being bullied. VeryDarkMan also added that he won't stop until the truth comes out. He believes the real people involved in Mohbad's trouble are still hiding, and it's time they talk. While this has generated reactions, drop a comment in the comment box section below, and please stay tuned to Naija News TV.